So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, click on Start Lab and wait for the lab to get started. This lab will be completed very soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe the channel to hype the video. Now once the lab is started, in the description box I've shared this GitHub repository. Come over here, select the entire content and open any online notepad or personal notepad. I prefer personal notepad. Now here come to the lab instruction, and from here just update the project ID first of all, and after that we have to update the region. If your region is same as per the lab instruction, you don't have to change anything, but if it is different, copy it and carefully replace it. Like here, you have to replace the first region here. Carefully see the region. Wherever the region is mentioned, you have to simply update. Once you have updated, select entire content and simply paste over here and hit enter. Now once you have hit enter, it will take some time and your lab will be updated. You can see all things are done. Now simply check the score, and if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the description box. Now here lab may take time to update the score, so kindly wait for it. So finally you can see we got the score, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great